They say love don't cost a dime, don't cost no money. Sometimes I be out of it, don't wanna see nobody.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Ayana, aka the Curvy Barbie. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. I have another haul for you guys today. On this one, I am doing a GymShark leggings haul. So as you guys can see, my first pair they are very popular. I see a lot of Instagram girlies wearing them. The Camo high waist GymShark leggings. I will put on the screen exactly what it's called so that you guys can search for it if you want. Because I don't remember the exact name of it. But anyway, they are high waist, like I said. I think they were like, I paid maybe $50 for it, I think like $48. I'll also put that on the screen what I paid for it. I'm not a big fan of spending a lot of money on leggings. So when it gets past like the $35, $40 mark, you know, I kind of hesitate, but I really wanted to just try these out. These are actually my first pair, my first set of GymShark leggings. Other than that, I've bought like Amazon leggings. I have an Amazon haul. If you haven't checked that one out yet, go check it out. So normally I buy like on the lower end, still quality, but I just feel like sometimes you spend more and you're not really getting better quality, especially when it comes to leggings. So I just wanted to try them out because I know they're popular. There's a lot of people on YouTube, Instagram that do reviews on GymShark. So I wanted to give it a try and, you know, let you guys know what I think. As a curvy girl, it's really hard for me to find, you know, leggings that come all the way up on me, are high waist. They really fit my shape. They're not falling down as I'm walking, you know, doing exercises or, you know, just being active or whatever. So I wanted to give GymShark a try. So let's get into this. So the first one is, like I said, the camos. And I really like the camo. I love the pattern of it. This one is a navy blue. I was trying to get other colors. They didn't have them in my size. I'm an extra large in these. I don't think I could have sized down just because it takes a little time for me to get into them, which is okay. I'm used to that. But the waistband on it, I feel like I find myself throughout the day adjusting it a lot. So I would say for me that's a little bit of a con because I absolutely hate that. I'm a mom of 6. If you don't know already, I'm a stay-at-home mom. So I do a lot of running around. I have two younger babies. So for me, I need something that's just gonna stick to me and stay with me the whole day. I hate having to constantly adjust, or even like when I go to the gym, and I'm sure you guys can relate. You know, like let's say it's a squat day or even just running on the treadmill. Like nobody wants to, you know, constantly be pulling up your pants or worrying about them, you know, sliding down as you're doing certain activities. So that's a little bit of a con for me. And like I said, paying $48 and that was on sale. I think the normal is like $60. I expect a little more, but you know, it could be because of my shape. I don't know. But anyway, so yeah, but other than that, it fits really good. I love that they are super high waist. They're stretchy, not see-through. The material is really good. It's like a ribbed material. The logos are very discreet. It's just a little simple GymShark logo right here, if you guys can see that. And then, you know, that's pretty much it. They come all the way up. They fit my waist really, really well for the most part. Like I said, I still have a good amount of room in them. I wish it was a little tighter, but I also understand that, you know, my proportions aren't really normal. So, also, if you are new here, I am naturally curvy. I have not had any surgeries or anything like that. I fluctuate in weight. I go up and down, but I've been curvy since I hit puberty, basically. So if you follow my Instagram, you'll see some pictures from some throwbacks, and you'll see that I've been curvy my whole life, basically. So we'll move on to the next one. I have 3 more for you guys. I had 4, but I can't seem to find the other one. I'm not sure where it is, but anyway, I'll show you guys the next 3, and I hope you guys like these. Also in the description box, don't forget to put which one is your favorite. If you have any, let me know if it, you know, especially these, because like I said, these are popular. Let me know if for you, they, you know, kind of slide down too as you're being active. Because like I said, maybe it's just me. I don't know. All right, so on to the next one. So the next leggings I have on are these gray stretchy leggings. It's like a gray and white kind of mix. It's not full gray. They have on the side here, it's like a little bit of a texture going all the way down the side. Once again, high waist. That's all I buy. That you will not see anything else other than high waist on this channel. You know, once again, also the same thing as the last one. The waistband is not very, you know, it doesn't hold you in that much. There's a lot of room. I mean, I guess you can leave it. The room would be okay for like I do wear a sweatband when I work out. So, you know, I guess if I put that on, it'll be okay, but it's still a lot of room in the waistband. These also, like I said, they come down a little bit. I would be very interested. Next time they have a sale, I think I'm going to size down, try a large, and see just how, you know, the difference. I'm just afraid that I'm not going to be able to get them up over my thighs. That's, you know, a huge thing for me. So I'm going to try it out. I'll probably just buy like 1 pair because I'm not going to, you know, buy a whole set and then have to send all of them back and all of that. So I'll probably try 1 pair in the large and see if that makes a difference in the waistband, and then I'll let you guys know on a different haul. But anyway, this is it. I have these in a green. I'll show you guys that next. Oh, about these. So these, the waistband is, you know, regular in the front, but then in the back it says GymShark. I kind of like that. It's really nice. I like that. It's a little touch, like, you know, show off that you're wearing GymShark leggings, I guess. Yeah, but other than that, they fit great. I could, you know, I'm active in them. I've washed them. They don't shrink. I washed them on delicates. They don't shrink. They don't, you know, they haven't changed colors. No rips. Sometimes I worry when I pull them up that I'm going to, this part I feel like is a little, it's not holes, but I feel like it's almost a netted material. So I'm very careful when I pull them up not to like poke my nails, especially I don't have nails on right now, but when I do have my nails done, I try to stay away from this area just because, you know, I'm afraid that I'm going to poke a hole through them. So that's the only con I think for these. But other than that, I like them. I think you guys, I would recommend them to you guys. So I'll show you guys them in a different color. Okay, so here they are in green, like I said. Another thing about these leggings that I forgot to mention is they do have, I don't know if you guys saw it when I had turned around before, but right here up under the butt, it's like this material here, they kind of continue. I don't think it really does anything. I don't feel like it's giving support, you know, lifting your butt or anything like that, but I just figured I would mention it to you guys. Also, I am 5'4", and on me, I'm 5'5", sorry. And on me, it, as you can see, it's a lot of material. I could probably pull them up higher than this if I wanted to. It is way past my belly button. So, you know, if you're a little shorter, just expect for them to be, you know, come up really high. I've seen some girls like roll this part down. I'm not big on doing that. I like my high waist. I, you know, pair it with a crop top or a hoodie or, you know, stuff like that. So if you wanted to, I guess you could roll it down, but I just wanted to mention that too. So, but other than that, I like it in green too. I think I like the gray better, but I like them in green. Comfortable, lightweight, nothing more I can say about it. Okay, I have one more pair. It's a different kind. It's a purple color, you guys will see. I really like this next pair. Okay guys, so we made it to the fourth pair, and by far these are my favorite pair. As I'm trying these on, I've worn all of these, you know, throughout the days. I've had them for probably like a month now, but trying them on, you know, back to back, it really made me realize that these are my favorite ones by far. The other ones, like I told you, the pros and the cons of those, you know, I like the look of them. They're cute, you know, the logos and the camo is nice. I love that. But as far as having some leggings to go work out in, actually needing that support, these are the best for me. They are stretchy to where, you know, it's not too hard getting them on, and they also aren't like, you know, constricting me where they're like digging into my skin or anything, but at the same time, it has that perfect control where I feel secure that if I go for a run, you know, I'm not going to be flopping all over the place, you know. So I really, really love these. Even the waistband is tighter on these. I still have a little room, but it's up here. It's a little, it's like ribbed kind of. I don't know if you guys can see that, but up here it's a little ribbed, and I think it gives it that extra, you know, kind of cinch that for me I need for my waist, where I don't feel like these are going anywhere. So, and of course, I love the color, very girly. You know, for me, anything that's like loud, even though I don't want to be seen in the gym, I still like girly colors. I like pink and purple and light blue and things like that. So I love these. I definitely will be buying more of these. I'm going to go back on the website and see what other colors they have. There's also a little, they're actual holes going up and down the thigh here. So as of right now, I haven't had any issues with the holes as far as like pulling them up and the whole stretching or, you know, ripping or anything like that. I haven't had any issues. I don't see anything. I've washed them, so it hasn't, you know, gotten out of place. They also are like down here. And then there's also some in the back here. I hope you guys can see that on the, on my calves. So yeah, so I really like these the most. They come up, they're not going anywhere. It's like a really soft material, but like I said, it's definitely not thin, not see-through. These are perfect, really. If I had to rate, you know, I'm sure there's more, but as far as the ones that I bought, whoever came up with these, I know they have different athletes that, you know, like Whitney Simmons, I've heard of. You know, they have different lines. I'm not sure which one this is. I'll put it on the description box, I'll put it on the screen for you guys, and I'll put it in the description box for you so that you guys can also go purchase it. But I really, really like these. They did a good job with these. So yeah, so that's going to be it for the haul, guys. Thank you so much if you made it this far. I hope you did, because you got to see my favorite pair of leggings. Let me know which one you feel like looked the best on me, or which one you think that will look the best on you, that will work for you, for your physique. And if you have any of these, let me know how they work for you. And also, if you know of any more that from GymShark that you know, you feel like would really be good for me, because, you know, I'm new to this. Like I said, these were literally my first set of GymShark pants. So I'm still learning. I'm not going to sit here and say that I'm going to become this, you know, everything is GymShark, because I'm not spending, you know, $50, $60 on a pair of leggings. Now, when they have a sale, I'll definitely be on the site now. Before, I was like a hesitant, you know, I was like, oh, it's all hype, you know, but I think now I'm going to definitely subscribe to their email list. And, you know, when the girls, because I do watch YouTube videos on them, but I just never felt compelled to, you know, go purchase them. But I'll definitely keep these in mind. I'll keep these in my cart until they have a sale. And yeah, I look forward to purchasing some more and reading you guys' comments. Also, don't forget to like this video so that I know that you guys want more videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, if this is your first time watching me, and also check out my other videos. I'm, you know, working on being more consistent, so, you know, show me some love in the comments, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.
They say love don't cost a dime, don't cost no money. Sometimes I be out of it, don't wanna see nobody.